When is the guy here?
He's here now, but they're filming.
He's here now?
Yeah,
Oh,
they're
wow.
filming.
You can't see him?
If he comes out, it might be
Lucky.
random.
Yeah, okay. He's here now. Oh, boy.
Alright, ready? Waiting for you.
Okay.
I'm back.
No, we don't have to. We'll have kids extra large. Yeah, sure. We were just supposed to chill last night. Good. Scales like Angelo.
Can I get a t-shirt here? Okay.
Hold on, you're gonna be.
Okay. I just want, I guess we have the white t-shirts. Huh? Oh, is that right? No. Okay.